Today I'm going to be teaching you how to turn on a Enphase solar system. So you're going to go to your main panel first. A lot of people call this a breaker panel. You're going to try to locate your solar breaker. This is a special situation, it doesn't have one. But when you come here, you look for a breaker that has a black label tag on it. From there, you'll come over to your disconnect switch. You'll flip your disconnect switch on. You'll make sure the screen comes on right here, indicating that there's power. From that point, you'll come over to your Enphase box and make sure all of the breakers inside are powered on. You'll see all of these lights come on up here. Each light indicates something different. So the first light, after about 5 minutes, everything will light up correctly, but the first light will indicate that you're connected to the internet. This light with the thunderbolt will indicate that you're producing power. The second light will usually never be on. It's more of a service thing for the solar installer. And this light will mean that all of the microinverters are on the right grid code.